Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how our phones seem to know us so well, adapting to our habits and preferences? Well, that's the magic of machine learning, a fascinating branch of artificial intelligence that's taking the tech world by storm. So, what's machine learning all about? In simple terms, it's a method that allows computers to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. Imagine a smartphone that learns when you like to listen to music, or an app that suggests movies you'd love. These are all thanks to machine learning. It analyzes vast amounts of information and uncovers patterns, making our digital interactions smoother and more personalized. Now, why should you care? Well, machine learning isn't just shaping tech, it's revolutionizing industries. From healthcare improving diagnostics to finance detecting fraud, this technology is crucial in driving innovation and efficiency. Understanding it can open doors to exciting career opportunities or simply make you more savvy as a consumer. Here's a quick tip. If you're interested in diving deeper, consider exploring online courses or resources that break down the basics of machine learning. You don't have to be a tech genius. With a little curiosity, you can grasp these concepts. So, keep your eyes peeled. Machine learning is here to stay and evolving fast. This is today's tech update for July 26, 2025.